Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm All-Star, otherwise known as the Old Man Mountain. Today's video, as you saw in the title, is Battlefield 5, or 5 in 1, pistol clips. So, any pistol kills. I've done a video like this in the past once with Battlefield 1 pistol only. That was a fun video, same with this. And this time, when I was doing the Battlefield 1 gameplay, I was doing custom game modes, which you can find on Xbox One. So, I hope you enjoy the video.
We have released the pigeon. The pigeon has delivered our message.
I can see an enemy scout!
Message written. The pigeon is ready to be released. We have released the pigeon. We have picked up the pigeon. Enemies picked.
Oh. Well, it's time for me to end my video. So if you like it, disliked it, comment why. If you enjoy the video and enjoy what I do, we like to subscribe. Like what I say, it does no harm. So ladies and gentlemen, so long, farewell, Auf Wiedersehen. Guten Abend, meine Freunde.